brush faces. In today's home decor segment, I'm here to show you a simple wall hanging as well as a craft by using people leaves. So before getting into my video, those who are new to my channel, please hit the bell icon to stay tuned for my latest uploads. By using people leaf. So for doing this wall hanging as well as craft, you require people leaves. For this people leaf, you can take any leaf which is of thicker in size. So here I am going with this people leaves. So here I have taken 6 to 8 leaves. If you want, you can go with 3 leaves, that is okay. So here I have taken 8 leaves. So first of all, I'll tell you the steps to follow. So to do this craft, take a clean bowl and fill it with water. Now you have to soak these people leaves into this water. And you have to leave this for about 7 to 14 days. 2 weeks exactly you have to leave it. For every 2 days you have to change this water, or else the leaf gets spoiled. So after 14 days I'll show you the structure of these leaves. 3 weeks you have to remove the residues by using a thin brush like this, slowly, without deep pressure, and you have to just clean the leaves. But actually I have taken these leaves after 5 weeks, so there is no need of cleaning by using brush. I have just cleaned this leaf by using running water. So if you're having much more patience, you can take these leaves after 5 weeks. So that is not necessary that you need to clean by using brush, because all the residues just gets washed off when you're just washing by using a normal running water. So this is my leaf structure after 5 weeks. You can see that. So you'll be getting. So the next step is, I'm going to paint this leaf by using acrylic colors. You can choose any acrylic color by using red acrylic color. Instead you have to use a sponge like this, because if you are using brush, the leaves are very thin, so there's a greater chance for breaking these leaves. The paper, place the leaf onto the paper, red colors. So here I am using red color. Just dab these paint onto these leaves like this. Painting this leaf, just take another paper and just dab it over to this, so that the extra paint gets off into the other paper. So just allow this leaf to dry for a few minutes. So now you can see that the leaves has dried out completely. It takes only a few minutes for drying. So after drying, what I am going to do is just take a small stick like this, and I'm going to add Fevicol onto the middle portion leaf, and I'm going to add the stick onto this leaf. So this is the final skeleton leaves arrangement which I have done with the remaining leaves by painting with different acrylic colors, and just by attaching a stick by using a Fevicol and then adding into a bottle. So you can paint these leaves with different acrylic colors, so that it gives a very vibrant and cool look, and you can see the texture of these leaves. It looks so beautiful near your showcases, table corners, or your working spaces. It looks very beautiful and elegant. Gives a very classic touch to your room. So that's all for today's videos, dears. I hope you all have enjoyed my video. See you soon in my next video. Until then, stay healthy and stay motivated.